Join us Saturday, September 14th for our Fall Festival here at Sipkens Nurseries from 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. What's happening that day? Come and see. Grab a map and a pencil and enjoy hunting for scarecrows throughout our store and greenhouse. Make sure you come hungry. We'll be serving up a hot dog and drink combo lunch for $6 throughout the day. As well, we will have free apple cider and candy floss for everyone. And our friends, Fritter Friends, are going to be here, and they're going to be offering their donuts and fritters available for purchase. And while you're here at Sipkens, shop all your fall indoor decor. Plus, grab your pumpkins, gourds, straw bales, corn stalks, and more for your outdoor decorating. And of course, loads of our homegrown fall mums in all the colors and sizes. We'll have lots of your porch packages ready to go on a cart for simple and easy decorating. Bring the cameras and snap a photo in our fall photo booth. Did you know that we are offering make and take classes that day at 10 a.m. and 2 p.m.? Choose from 3 different fall planter options. Free registration is required at sipkens.myshopify.com. And the kids can enjoy our Cider Farm Hoppers maze, plus a huge games area. So come on out, there's fun for the whole family.